All right, number 10, we want to use a function, find f prime of a, and then determine the equation of the tangent line. So this time, I'm just going to use the definition f of x plus h minus f of x over h, and then of course I need my limit. H goes to 0. This definition helps us not have to plug in the a value a couple times and then it'll all cancel out anyway. So this will save us a little bit of work. Again, they're giving us a is equal to 4. So this is your original x value. F of x, your original function, is equal to 7x squared. So I need a point whenever I get ready to write the equation of a tangent line. So given an x value, I need a y value. So I need to go ahead and first find f of a, which will be f of 4 really, which is 7 times 4 squared. So we get 16, and then 7 times 16. That'll give us 102, 70, 112, 42. Should be 112. So the y value that we'll use is 112. Okay, so we'll start here. Limit as h goes to 0. F of x plus h will be 7x plus h, and that'll be squared, and that's all we have to do, minus 7x squared, and this is all over h. And then limit as h goes to 0, and then we will go ahead and do the binomial. So the shortcut is square, multiply and double, and then square. So if I square this, it'll give me x squared, multiply x times h, and then double it, so it'll give me plus 2xh, and then square h plus h squared. So I have a minus 7x squared all over h. And then we'll distribute the 7, so we'll have a 7x squared plus 14xh, and then plus 7h squared minus 7x squared. Positive 7x squared and negative 7x squared will cancel, leaving us with 14x times h plus 7h squared all over h. We can factor out an h. And then that will cancel out the h on the bottom. And then if we use direct substitution and plug in a 0, 7 times 0 will go away. So the f prime of x, the derivative, is 14x. Now, if we do f prime of a, which is plugging in the value of 4, times 4, 56. So this is our slope, our m tan. Okay, the slope of our tangent line. And then once we have the slope, we will write the equation of the tangent line, y equals mx plus b. Needs slope and intercept. We have the slope, y equals, sorry, not y equals. I'm going to plug in the x and y value. So 112 was the y value. 112 equals the slope of 56 times the x value of 4 plus b. So if we do 56 times 4, that gives us 224. Plus b. My b looks like a 6. We'll subtract 224, and that'll give us a negative 112 equals b. So the slope of our tangent line is y equals 56x, and then b will be a minus 112.